Hello, I'm Mujiko Sartarto from 11 TKJ 3. I want to tell the biography of Muhammad Hatta. Muhammad Hatta, or often called Bung Hatta, was the first vice president of Indonesia. Muhammad Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. His father is Haji Muhammad Jamil and his mother is Siti Soleha. His father died when he was 8 months old. Hatta married to Rahmi Hatta on November 18, 1945. The couple had 3 children named Mutia Farida Hatta, Gemala Rabia Hatta, and Halida Nuria Hatta. Hatta started his education at private school named Sekolah Melayu. Then he went to ELS, European Learning School. He continued his school to Mulo, Mir Uitgebreid Lager, Onderwits. Hatta began to show his interest in politics and national movement since he was 16 years old. He joined Young Sumatranan Bond and he was chosen as the treasurer. In 1919, Hatta went to Hoger Burger School (HBS) in Batavia, Jakarta. He finished his study with distinction in 1921, and he was allowed to continue his study to Rotterdam School of Commerce in Netherlands. He took economics as his major and got doctorandus degree. He then continued to pursue his doctorate degree, but he did not. He did finish his thesis because politics has taken over his life. In Netherlands, Hatta joined the Indische Vereniging in 1922. Indische Vereniging is named to Indonesian Vereniging as Perhimpunan Indonesia. Hatta was the treasurer from 1922 until 1925, and then he became the chairman from 1926 until 1930. Perhimpunan Indonesia then changed from a student organization to political organization that demand for Indonesian independence. It expresses its voice through a magazine called Indonesia Merdeka, of which Hatta was the editor. Hatta attended Congress all over Europe to gain more support from other nations. He always as the chairman of Indonesia delegation. By the middle of 1927, Perhimpunan Indonesia activities had armed the Dutch authorities. On June 1927, Dutch authorities put Hatta and 4 other Indonesian activists in jail. In 1929, Hatta and other Perhimpunan Indonesia activists were released. On August 1932, after returning to Indonesia, Hatta became the chairman of the new PNI. On February 1934, the Dutch colonial government arrested PNI leaders from its Jakarta branch and Bandung branch. They were imprisoned for a year. In 1935, it was decided that Hatta and the other PNI leaders would be exiled to Boven Digul, Papua. In 1936, Hatta and Sultan Syahrir were transferred to Banda Neira in Maluku. There, they joined other nationalists as Iwa Kusuma Sumantri and Dr. Cipto Mangunkusumo. In 1942, Hatta and Syahrir were transferred to Sukabumi, West Java. In the same year, the Dutch colonial government surrendered. However, because of World War II was underway, the Empire of Japan came to Indonesia to fulfill their imperial ambition in East Asia and Southeast Asia. On March 1942, Hatta and Syahrir were transferred to Jakarta. In July 1942, Hatta was reunited with Sukarno. In a secret meeting at Hatta's Jakarta home, Sukarno, Hatta, and Syahrir agreed to organize the revolutionary resistance to achieve independence from Japan. In a speech on December 1942, Hatta said that Indonesia already free from the Dutch colonial government, but Indonesia was free only to be colonized by another power. He would rather to see Indonesia drawn to the bottom of the ocean. As the tide of the war began to turn against the Japanese occupational government in Indonesia began to lose its control of Indonesia. On August 1945, Japanese finally approved Indonesia independence. August 16 in 1945, the Indonesian youths kidnapped Sukarno and Hatta to Rengas Dengklok to force both of them to declare independence of Indonesia. Finally, August 17 at 1945, at Sukarno's residence, Indonesia's independence was proclaimed in a short statement on a paper signed by Sukarno and Hatta. On August 18, 1945, Hatta was elected as Indonesia's first vice president to accompany Sukarno as the president of Indonesia. Hatta died on March 14, 1980, and he was buried in Tanah Kusir, Cemetery, Jakarta. Thank you.